Hey everybody, welcome to the Rootbound Studio. I get asked a lot how to use furniture wax to finish your projects. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial today that shows you just how easy this product is to use. Today I'm going to be using Best Dang Wax, which is a Dixie Belle product. This product is available on my website at rootboundlife.com, but it's going to work similar to whatever kind of wax that you may have already purchased, so you can use this tutorial in all likelihood for whatever kind of wax that you have. I have with me today two cabinet doors. These two doors are going to be wall decor in my home, so I have finished them with a coat of Dixie Belle's espresso gel stain and then whitewashed the top of them with a mixture of driftwood and water. So I've given it this kind of crazy aged looking finish, and what I would like to do is just protect them so that they can hang on the wall. They won't need a lot of protection because they're not going like in a kitchen or bathroom, they're going in my living room, and it's not a surface I'm going to scrub a lot. So if you were doing actual cabinet doors that were going in your actual kitchen, you should probably use something a little better than wax because that's a surface you want to be able to scrub. But for this purpose, wax is going to work just fine. Okay, let's get started. So I like to use these little paint pyramids when I am working on a project like this. It just elevates them enough up off of the work surface that I don't end up picking up residual debris that's sitting on my table here. So I'm going to put my little paint pyramids under these corners. And just give it that little bit of elevation. So I have a wax brush, which actually started out as a paintbrush, but then over time it just lost its, I cut the ends off and turned it into a wax brush for me. But you can also apply wax with a lint-free cloth. If you are a t-shirt rag girl, which I get, I love t-shirt rags, but you have a project that's light colored like this and a dark colored t-shirt rag, you're going to leave residual lint from that t-shirt rag onto your project. So try to choose something that is as lint-free as possible. This product is really easy to use. So today I'm just going to show you how to apply the wax, and then I have a second cabinet door and I'm going to show you how to buff the wax. So I'm just dipping my brush into this wax. I get a healthy amount of wax on there, and I'm just going to brush it on there. I know it looks very white from where you are, but this is clear wax and it will dry clear. There are colored waxes available too, and they are a great option if you want to add a little bit of dimension to your project, but clear wax suited this project just fine. I just want to make sure I get up in these edges nice and easy and tight, get all the surface, and I'm going to remember to do my edges along this side too. Don't worry if it looks like you have a lot of wax on there, it's gonna buff right out. So even if you're seeing some streaks, you're seeing some, a lot of color that you don't want, don't worry about it. It's all gonna buff clear, and it's really easy to do. All right, as soon as we have our wax applied, even though it doesn't look perfect right now, we're gonna leave this sit. In about 15 to 20 minutes, we'll come back to this piece and buff it. I have a piece over here that I've already waxed and it has sat the 15 minutes. So I'm going to move it over and show you how to buff your wax. Okay, this piece already has wax on it. It sat for 15 minutes. I'm going to use a lint-free microfiber rag, and I just buy these on Amazon, and then I save them. I stick them in a Ziploc bag, I stick them in my paint cabinet, and then they're always ready to use the next time. I don't clean these rags. When they get too bad, I toss them. So this is just one of those little microfiber rags that's really easy to use and really easy to get, and we are gonna test gravity. Okay, all right. So I'm just rubbing this really lightly across here. I don't wanna push too hard. I don't wanna scrape too much. I'm just really rubbing this wax in. Wouldn't it be nice if I was like, you know, that's how you know we're real. Like, this is awesome. All right, I think we're steadier now. Well, for a minute. Anywhere where you see the little white corners or where you have too much gathered, you just rub that in. Okay. And it's that easy, folks. It's all buffed in, it's beautiful. I'm gonna give it about 24 hours to dry before I do anything else to it, but it's done. It's protected, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching, you guys. For today's project, we used Dixie Belle's Best Staying Wax, a wax brush, and a microfiber cloth. To get any of the Dixie Belle product line, visit our website at rootboundlife.com. While you're there, check out our furniture and home decor lines. Also, remember to follow us on Facebook at Rootbound Life or on Instagram at rootbound.bunny. Remember to like and subscribe below, and we'll see you soon. Bye!